Hello everyone, you are watching Mathematics with Dr. Khalil. In this video, I'll be taking chapter 7, section 7.2, that is applications of linear equations. We have studied in section 7.1 what are linear equations and how we solve linear equations. In this, we are going to apply the linear equation in solving the real life problem. That means we apply the linear equation in the real life. So let's come to the examples in section 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Let's see the first question. We have to read the whole question, which are given in words and sentences. You have to read it, convert these words and sentences into mathematics problem, solve it, and then give the answer in words and sentences. For example, number 1. There are 16 girls in a school club. That means number of girls given 16. Next, the number of girls is 4 more than twice the number of boys. Then find the number of boys. So you are asked to find number of boys. How many number of boys in this school club? So we have to start from the question. You are asked to find the number of boys. So assume that X be the number of boys. That is the very important thing. Whatever the question in this, start, assume that and start with that. If X is the number of boys, let us convert the words, that is sentence, into equation. The number of girls, how many number of girls? 16. Number of girls is means equal. 4 more means plus 4, increase, more, plus, decrease, less, minus. 4 more than twice the number of boys. Number of boys are X, twice means 2 times. So number of girls is 4 more than the twice the number of boys. So we get a linear equation in this problem. And we know how to solve this. We solve this. When we solve, we get the value of what? X. That is what I require. That is the number of boys. Solving this, 2x, bringing this to the right, left, and 16 to the right side. 2 minus 16. So minus 2x is equal to minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12 by minus 2. You see? Plus 6. Answer. So the number of boys in this example are 6. Now I want to check my answer. What we do? We put the answer x is equal to 6 in the equation, that is 16 equal to 2x plus 4. So the answer, whatever you got, you put in the equation always. So when I put, what happens? 16, this x is now 6. So 2 into 6 plus 4. That is 16, 12 plus 4. That is 16 equal to 16. That is left and the right hand side, we get the same number. Therefore, my answer is correct. That is, there are 6 boys in this school club. Exactly in the similar way, question number 2. The difference of a number and 12 is 3. Find the number. The question is here, let the number be x. Find the number. Start with that. So that number is x. Let us now write down the first sentence, that the difference of a number and 12 is 3. Difference of a number. So x first minus 12 is 3. That is x minus 12 equal to 3. Difference of a number and 12 is 3. Difference of a 12 and a number 3. Then it becomes 12 minus x equal to 3. See the difference here. This is what we get a linear equation. Solve this. It is very simple. 3 plus 12. That is 15. Answer. Now I want to check the answer. So how to check the answer? Put this x equal to 15 in this equation. That is 15 minus 12 equal to 3. That is 3 equal to 3. Yes, my answer is correct. Number 3. The sum of 3 times a number and 8 is 23. Find the number. So let's say x be the number. Then the sum means addition. The sum of 3 times a number, 3 times a number, times is multiplied, of a number and 8 is 23. That is equal to 23. This is what we get a linear equation. Solve this. 3x 23 minus 8. 3x 23 minus 8, 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. That is 5. So the number is 5. So now checking. How to check? Put this number in the equation. So what happens? 3 into 5 plus 8 equal to 23. I put this x equal to 5. So 15 plus 8 equal to 23. See, 23 equal to 23. My answer is correct. See the question number 4. This is a little different. One number is 5 more than the other. Their sum is 33. Find the numbers. So here you are asked to find the numbers. That means more than 1. So means here in this question you are asked to find 2 numbers. So I cannot assume both 2 numbers. I cannot have 2 variables in one equation. So what I will do now, let x be the first number. Start. X be the first number. So what is your second number? It is given in the problem. Second number is one number is 5 more than the other. That means the second number is 5 more than the other. That is x plus 5. 5 more plus 5. So the 2 numbers are x and what? X plus 5. According to the question. Their sum is 33. Their means the sum of this and this equal to 33. That means x plus 5 equal to 30. This is the linear equation. Solve this. X 2x plus 5 equal to 33. Then 2x is equal to 33 minus 5. That is 28. x is equal to 28 by 2, that is 14. So the first number is 14. Then what would be the second number? The second number will be x plus 5, that is 14 plus 5, that is 19. So the two numbers are 14 and 19. How to check? It is said that their sum is 33. Is it the sum of these two is 33? That means 14 plus 19. Is it 33? Yes. Therefore, my answer is correct. So like that, you can do question number 5 also. Coming to the next set of questions, that is question number 6 to 11. Let's say 6. Find 3 consecutive integers. So integer, positive, negative, zeros, 0. So here you are asked to find consecutive. That means consecutive means 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1. These are all consecutive. That means every time I am adding 1 to get the next number. So this is not consecutive because you got the third number by adding 2. It is not consecutive. But we need to find 3 consecutive integers. When it is consecutive, start with x. X be the first integer. Then what would be the second consecutive integer? X plus 1, increase by 1. What would be the next? Increase by 1 more, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2. So these are the 3 consecutive integers. So you have to start, assume this. Let's say you assume this. But only one statement is given, whose sum is minus 3. That is, sum is minus 3. This is given. Let's convert this into the sum means x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to minus 3. This is given. Open the bracket. We have 3x, then 1 plus 2, 3. Then we have a 3x is equal to minus 3, that is minus 6. I am bringing this to the right. Then 3x equal to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 by 3. And x is equal to minus 2. The first number is minus 2. Now, this we got. So, the next number I will have to find this. If x is equal to minus 2 is the first number, what would be the second number? The second number will be x plus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. And then what is the last number? X plus 2. That is minus 2 plus 2. It is 0. So the 3 numbers are minus 2, minus 1, 0. Consecutive integers are this. Test. How to test? The sum is minus 3. That is minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 0. Yes, it is minus 3. Therefore, my answer is correct. Similarly, question number 7. And regarding question number 8, 9, 10 and 11, let's say number 8. Here you are asked to find 3 consecutive even integers. What is the question number 9? 4 consecutive even integer, just add one more. 3 consecutive odd integer for number 10. 4 consecutive odd integers, that is for number 11. So here consecutive number 1, and what we have here, even. So what are the consecutive even integers? You see 2, 4, 6, 6, 8, 10. That means every time I will be increasing by 2. So what are the consecutive odd integer? 1, 3, 5. This here also we increase by 2. If it is odd, then the next odd will be 3. When I add 2, I will get the next one. So whether it is odd or even, you have to start. If it is even, you say that x is the first even integer. Then next even integer will be x plus 2. The next x plus 4. If it is 4, x plus 6. If it is odd, start x as odd. The next odd will be x plus 2. Then x plus 4. If it is 3, 4 means just add one more. So, but in both the cases, you are going to increase by 2. So consecutive increase by 1, for odd or even increase by 2. So exactly in the similar way we can find. Let me do question number 10. Find 3 consecutive odd integer whose sum is minus 99. So 3 consecutive odd integer. So x plus 2, x plus 4. These are the 3 consecutive odd integers where x is the first odd integer. The sum is given 99. That is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to minus 99. Add up this. X, 3x, 4 plus 2, 6 is equal to minus 99. Bring 6 to the right side. So 3x is equal to 99 minus 6. So minus 105. So x is equal to minus 105 by 3. So it is minus 3 minus 35. So this is what you call the first, this one. Then what would be the next one? So this x we got minus 35. So this is the first odd integer. What would be the next consecutive odd integer? X plus 2, that is minus 35 plus 2, that is minus 33, the next one. What will be the next? X plus 4, that is minus 35 plus 4, that is minus 31. So what are the 3, what we call, consecutive odd integers? Minus 35, minus 33, minus 31. So these are the 3. How do I know whether this is correct or wrong? Add this, you should get minus 99. Yes, you add these 3, you will get minus 99. So that is how we solve examples from 6 to 11. Coming to the last set of questions, that is 12 to 15. Here we are using the concept of linear equation in solving the geometrical problems. For example, let's see number 12. The two smaller angles of a right triangle have equal measures. So we have a what you call a right triangle. Definitely this is 90 degree. Then two smaller angles, that is, these are the definitely smaller angle, they have same. So means I assume one angle is x. I assume these two smaller angles have equal measure. That means if this is x, it will also be x. What the question here? Find the measure of three angles. That means find three angles. That is this. This is already there because it is already. But you know the rule that in any triangle, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. Always. Add all. What is your first angle? X. The second angle also be the same because it is given same. Plus 90 is equal to 180. X I can add. So 180 minus 90. Yes, and then I subtract. This becomes 90. So x is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45. So what are the angle? This is 45 and this is 45 and this is 90. So the three angle found here. Coming to 13, the angles in a triangle are such that one angle is twice the smallest angle. So I start with x be the smallest angle. Here it is not right triangle, but it is a triangle, a general triangle. So let's say this is the smallest angle, so I start with x is the first angle. So what is given? The angles is such that one angle is twice the smallest angle. The second angle is twice, that is 2 times. While the third angle is 3 times as large as the smallest angle. That means this will be 3 times. This is what the angles are given like this. So what is your question? Find the measure of all 3 angles. So just now I gave you the sum of 3 angles is always 180 degree. So solving this, we have 3, 5, 6. So 6x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 6. So it is 30. So this is 30 degree. Then 2x, that is 30 into 2, that is 60 degree. This 30 into 3, that is 90. So 30, 60, 90 are the measures of 3 angles of this particular triangle. Coming to 14. One side of a triangle is 7 inches more than the first side. The third side is 4 inches less than the 3 times the first. The perimeter is 28 inches. Find the length of the 3 sides of the triangle. So in this question number 14, you are not asked to find the angle, but you are asked to find the length of the sides here. That is, suppose if it is A, B, C, you are asked to find what is the length A to B, distance, the length, and this and this. So what is the meaning of perimeter? Remember, perimeter is sum of all sides. the length of all the sides, which is given here. It is 28 inch. What else is given? Let's say the first length is x. What would be the second length? The second length is 7 inches more than the first. It is x plus 7. Third is what? Third is 4 inches less than 3 times the first. 3 times the first minus 4. You see, the lengths are x plus 7, 3x plus minus 7. Perimeter is given. That means x plus 7 plus 3x minus 4 equal to 28, which is given. So I add all the sides, right? It should be equal to 28. X, 3x, that is 5x, 7 minus 4 plus 3 equal to 28. So 5x is equal to 28 minus 3, that is 25. So x is equal to 25 by 5, that is 5. So the first length is 5, the second length x plus 7, so 5 plus 7, that is 12, and the third 3x minus 4, that is 3 into 5 minus 4, that is 15 minus 4, that is 11. So the length of the sides are 5, 12, 11. These are the. How to check? The same. I have to add up this. So 12 plus 5, 17 plus 11, 28. Yes, is correct. Coming to the last question, that is number 15. What is given here? You are given the perimeter is equal to 20. How are the sides? Let's say x be the one side. What is the second side? It is x minus 3, 2x minus 5. These are the three sides. Please check. The same wording I converted into, in terms of x. Solve this, you get x is equal to 7. And the answer is 7, 4, 11. These are the answer for this question 15. With this, I complete section 7.2. Thank you.